Imagine being fully aware that you're dreaming and being able to control what happens next. For many, that seems impossible. Studies show that the dreamer can influence or control what happens. However, that takes dedicated and focused work. We will explore the world of lucid dreaming, what those dreams mean, and a proactive approach to help control your dreams, and even to let them help you in your everyday life. In this video, we'll explore in depth the mysteries of lucid dreams, break down the most common problems people face, and give you practical solutions to help control them to your advantage. We will help turn nightmares into sweet dreams. This will be the first in a series, so subscribe and stay tuned for more advanced techniques on how to control your lucid dreams to your benefit. Chapter number 1. What is lucid dreaming? In simple terms, it's when you become conscious during your dream. Lucid dreaming is a unique state of consciousness where the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming while still remaining in the dream. Lucid dreams typically occur during the rapid eye movement, REM stage of sleep. REM sleep usually begins about 90 minutes after falling asleep. Initial REM periods last about 10 minutes, with each subsequent REM period getting longer throughout the night, potentially lasting up to an hour. REM sleep is characterized by increased brain activity, faster breathing, and eye movements. In a lucid dream, the individual recognizes that the events occurring are not real, but part of a dream. This metacognitive awareness differentiates lucid dreams from regular dreams, where individuals typically accept the dream scenario as reality without question. While some lucid dreamers can manipulate aspects of their dreams, control is not a defining feature. The primary element is the awareness of dreaming itself. This awareness allows for varying degrees of control over the dream's narrative, characters, and environment. With practice, you can even shape your dream world. It's like becoming the director of your own nighttime movie. Lucid dreaming is exciting. It can help with creativity, problem solving, and even overcoming fears. But many people struggle to get started or face obstacles once they're inside a lucid dream. Chapter number 2. Common problems with lucid dreaming. Problem number 1. Waking up too quick. You've just become lucid and bam, you wake up. This is one of the most frustrating things about lucid dreaming. Chapter 3 will help you begin to explore how you can start to take control of your dreams. Problem number 2. Lack of control. You know you're dreaming, but everything feels chaotic. You can't control the dream and things happen on their own. Problem number 3. False awakenings. Ever thought you woke up but realized you're still dreaming? That's called a false awakening, and it can be really disorienting. In the next chapter, we will discuss a couple of techniques to help with the false awakenings. Problem number 4. Sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis is a temporary inability to move or speak that can occur when falling asleep or waking up. It's often associated with a feeling of pressure on the chest and sometimes accompanied by hallucinations. Is this dangerous? Let's find out in the next chapter. Chapter number 3. Solutions to lucid dreaming problems. Waking up early in a dream, especially if you're practicing lucid dreaming or want to explore more of the dream, can be a bit frustrating. However, there are several techniques and tips you can use to either prolong your dream experience or re-enter the dream state. Here are some strategies. Solution number 1. Waking too early. Have you ever thought you woke up but realized you're still dreaming? That's called a false awakening, and it can be really disorienting. If you find yourself waking up too quickly, try rubbing your hands together in the dream. It sounds strange, but this technique helps to stabilize the dream and keep you grounded in it. Solution number 2. Solving lack of control with reality checks. During the day, get into the habit of asking yourself, "Am I dreaming?" And perform small checks like looking at your hands or trying to push your finger through your palm. This habit carries over to your dreams, helping you become lucid more often. If these actions feel strange, you're still dreaming. Keeping a dream journal helps improve dream recall and increases awareness of dream patterns. Solution number 3. Tackling sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis can be scary, but it's harmless. If you experience it, remember to stay calm and focus on controlling your breathing. It usually lasts just a few seconds. Then you can turn it back into a lucid dream by relaxing into the experience. Chapter number 4. Benefits to lucid sleeping. Benefit number 1. Enhanced creativity. Lucid dreams provide a unique platform for creative exploration without the constraints of reality. This environment encourages the generation of new ideas and insights, which can enhance creativity in your job and relationships. Benefit number 2. Improved problem solving. Lucid dreaming allows for active participation in dreams, which can enhance problem-solving abilities in waking life. Studies have shown that frequent lucid dreamers perform better on tasks requiring insight and creativity. Benefit number 3. Control over nightmares. Lucid dreaming can be an effective tool for managing and reducing nightmares. By becoming aware that they are dreaming, individuals can, over time, confront and alter the course of their nightmares, thereby reducing their frequency and severity. Benefit number 4. Reduced anxiety and depression. The sense of control experienced during lucid dreams can extend into waking life, helping to reduce anxiety and feelings of helplessness. Early research also suggests that lucid dreaming can foster creativity and curiosity, which may alleviate symptoms of depression. Benefit number 5. Therapeutic benefits. Lucid dreaming has been explored for its therapeutic potential, including reducing symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and insomnia. The ability to control dream content can help individuals process traumatic experiences in a safe environment. Benefit number 6. Motor skill improvement. Some research indicates that practicing physical activities during lucid dreams can improve performance in real life. This is because the brain regions activated during imagined movements in dreams are similar to those used every day. Benefit number 7. Overcoming fears. Lucid dreaming allows individuals to face their fears in a dream state where they are aware that the situation is not real. This awareness provides a sense of safety, enabling them to explore and confront fears without the risk of actual harm. Chapter number 5. Techniques and tips for inducing lucid dreams. Several methods exist for training oneself to achieve lucidity in dreams. Tip number 1. Keep a journal. Write down your dreams every morning. This boosts your dream recall and helps you recognize patterns, making it easier to become to a state of lucid dreaming. Tip number 2. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. Mild. This technique uses meditation and visualization to help you have a lucid dream. It's based on prospective memory, which is the ability to remember to perform actions in the future. Tip number 3. Wake-initiated lucid dreaming. Wild. A wake-initiated lucid dream happens when you directly enter a dream from waking life. It's said, wild helps your mind stays conscious while your body goes to sleep. By understanding its mechanics and practicing specific techniques, individuals can enhance their ability to experience this unique state, potentially unlocking creative insights and therapeutic benefits. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon that blends elements of both waking consciousness and dreaming. While these benefits are promising, it's important to note that research on lucid dreaming is still limited. Additionally, attempting to induce lucid dreams frequently may potentially impact sleep quality for some individuals. As with any sleep-related practice, moderation and attention to overall sleep health are advisable. The complex nature of sleep and dreaming means that there may be other factors influencing when lucid dreams take place that are not yet fully understood by researchers. But it's worth the journey to gain more knowledge and control over our dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've had any lucid dreams, or if these tips helped you out. Sweet dreams. Next time, we'll dive into advanced techniques for making your lucid dreams last longer and become more vivid. There is more to come from Health Equals Wellness, and you won't want to miss it.